Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to tell you a secret hack to upgrade your Capital One credit card. Yes, you've been facing this problem for quite a while, and I did too, right? When we call the customer service and ask them to upgrade the credit card, they say, hey, you are not eligible for it, or there's some problem in the system. But right here, by using this hack, you can upgrade your Capital One credit card pretty easily. Yes, and you can do it in a matter of seconds, right? And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $20,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please take some time to smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here in front of you, here is an amazing opportunity or a hack which will allow you to upgrade your current card. It doesn't matter it's platinum, it doesn't matter it's Quicksilver or Venture One, you can always upgrade it. So what I am going to do right here, I'm going to paste a secret link. Yes, you have heard it right, a secret link to upgrade your Capital One credit card in the video's description. Yes, there's a secret link to upgrade your Capital One credit card in the video's description. Go there, click on it, and a page will open. But before going there, please watch this video till the end, because I am going to show you exactly how you're going to do that. That link will take you to the Capital One website. Okay, so you are going to do everything through their website, so please watch this video till the end. As you can see right here, that the current card is Capital One Platinum. It does not have any perks. Of course, it's a general card, or you can say it's a card to build your credit and stuff, or if you are new into this credit game, that this is the first card you'll get from Capital One Bank. So if you want to upgrade it, when you call the customer service, they always give you excuses, right? So with this link and with this hack, you can upgrade this to either Quicksilver, or you can say Venture One right here. Yes, so what you need to do when you actually log in using that secret link, this page will appear, right? And then what you are going to do right here, it will show you the option that which card you are eligible to upgrade. So right here, as you can see, in my case, I was eligible to actually get upgraded for Quicksilver, right? And it tells me that, hey, there is no application required, same account and card number. So my card number and account will remain the same, my APR will remain this, and the credit limit will be $400. It will remain unchanged. And please note, this upgrade doesn't include promotional offers or bonuses that are for new customers only. So keep that in mind. What I really like about this Quicksilver one right here, that it has 1.5% cash back, and this is a really good one as compared to the platinum. Of course, it does not have any sort of rewards or cash back, so keep that in mind. But this is not the only case. You can also get Venture right here. It totally depends on your situation, right? So the Venture is actually a travel card, that you can say a travel credit card, and they actually give you 2 miles for every dollar spent. It has an annual fee of $95. Yes, I usually don't get the cards, though my credit is really good, but I don't prefer the cards. It doesn't matter how good they are, if they have an annual fee, I don't get them. So I'm just letting you know, it's totally up to your choice, right? Because I know that right here, when you do that, what's gonna happen right here, they will upgrade it, and then this screen will appear right here: finalize upgrade, card Quicksilver rewards 1.5 and annual fee 0, and then you need to click right here on agree and then card upgrade, and then it will show you this right here, right? Your new Quicksilver card ending in blah 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 will arrive in 7 to 10 business days, but no need to wait. In the meantime, you can start earning your new rewards with the card you have right now. Yes, so even if you upgrade the card that you have with you, right, it will be changed automatically to the new card, but you don't have to wait because you can use that card to earn rewards and stuff, because technically that card is actually changed to the new one already. So your new card will arrive in 7 to 10 businesses, so keep that in mind, right? And just one more thing, if you actually upgrade your card and then it will show you this screen right here, you upgraded your card, congrats, your new Venture 1 card will be emailed in, or sorry, will be mailed in 7 to 10 business days. Yes, so that's what it is, so keep that in mind. This screen will arrive when you do the Venture 1, and that one that I showed you, it was for Quicksilver right here, as you can see right here. Okay, and then remember one more thing, when you do that, as I told you, there's a link below in the video's description. So all you need to do, you need to do only one thing right here. You need to click on it. It will take you on the Capital One page. Then they will ask you to put your username and password. Don't worry about it, it's a Capital One site that you're gonna go to, so you're not going to any third-party site or anywhere, right? And then it will give you the option to upgrade your credit card or Capital One credit card. Let's talk about the Venture 1 and Venture perks right here. It has no application required. Of course, you don't need to fill any sort of application. It's just a one-click upgrade, right? The same account number and card number will remain the same. Of course, the APR, of course, is 14.15. Variable APR remains unchanged. The limit that we had is $22,000, so it will remain unchanged. And please note, this upgrade doesn't include any promotional offers or bonuses that are for new customers only. Well, when it talk about the Venture 1, I'm pretty sure the Venture 1 has no fee, so please try that, because like when it comes to the Venture 1, of course, you know, I travel a lot, so I was actually more inclined towards this venture. I hate this annual fee, but you know, like sometimes you need to just go with the things if you don't have any option. So it will give me, or you can say it gave me, a good credit limit of $22,000. A lot of people who actually worked with the last link that I provided, they got their credit limit increased as well, so keep that in mind, that it can increase your credit limit as well. Yes, there is a possibility, because some people, when they upgraded their card, their credit limit increased, so keep that in mind. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $20,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button, it really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.